Amazing benefits of ginger juice with carrot. The carrot has very beneficial properties for our health, such as antioxidant, diuretic, stimulant, digestive, anti-anemic among others. Since they have a high content of vitamins and minerals. Ginger has anti-inflammatory, digestive, antibiotic, analgesic and other properties. If we combine carrots and ginger, this can be very beneficial for our health. There are many things to prevent cancer, and the orange juice combined with ginger and carrot is a perfect mixture, very powerful to be used as an anti-inflammatory. The turmeric of this fruit is one of the most good spices because it has many benefits. It takes care of the heart, liver and joints. How to prepare this healthy shake? Each of the nutrients that these fruits possess can be mentioned as a super energy drink and revitalized that is able to offer us a high degree of nutrition. Ingredients: 3 carrots, orange, 1/2 tablespoon ginger, turmeric. Natural sweetener method of preparation. Wash and remove the husks from the carrot, then chop the smallest and put them in a blender. Squeeze the juice of an orange and put it in the glass of the blender. Add a tablespoon of ginger and a pinch of fresh turmeric. Liquefy all the ingredients until having a mixture homogenizes. Add any natural sweetener like honey. How will we consume this powerful juice? Since we have made this rich and nutrient juice, we will proceed to take it between 2 or 3 times a week. Benefits of this smoothie juice: it reduces the pains of our joints. Combat bad cancer cells. Migraine improves. It is a good invigorated in those days of hard work. Remove cramps due to circulation problems. It gets a lot of nutrients for women who are breastfeeding. It removes liquids from the body that make you gain weight due to its diuretic effect. Controls cholesterol levels. Now that you know how good this powerful natural juice is, I know that you dare to do it immediately. If you liked this video, share on social networks so everyone will know. For more health advice, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to turn on the notification button to be notified of the new videos from us.